This is one ugly ass omelette. And that's it. Okay guys, so the PM just announced that the movement control order will be extended to 14th of April, which to me I think that's not a bad idea, because right now, right, what we are seeing now, we have not seen the effects, the MCO's effects coming into place, the new infections that are still coming in daily, right? Right now, thankfully, it's still stabilizing around the 100 plus 200 like that. But you see, right now, all these infections happened before the MCO took place. So there is a likelihood that even as we approach the end of the original MCO that was supposed to end on 31st of March, we would still be seeing new waves of infection. It is when, I believe, when we go into phase 2, you know, from 1st April to 14th of April, that is when we will see the real the social isolation of these 2 weeks taking effect. All right, so we've got to brace for it. The worst really is still yet to come, but I think there is light at the end of the tunnel. We will get through this together, and for me, right now, what I can do is just keep producing videos. I'll keep talking to you guys. You know, I'll just keep producing videos. I want everybody out there to know that, you know, even inside here, cooped in the confines of our homes, we can still make the best of it. We can still lead very productive lives. We can still do things that previously in our busy schedules, when we are busy going out there, traveling, going to work. Now that we have all this extra time at home, we can spend this time to enrich ourselves with activities that we always perhaps knew we were supposed to do before this, but never had the time for it. Now is the good time to do all that, right? Yeah, I appreciate the extra time I have spending to be able to spend down to sit down with my wife, my kids, and also to catch up with some friends over WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Just text people that I haven't had a chance to speak to for a long time, just to catch up with them, tell them that that we are in this together. I think the message that I really want to spread out, and we all should together spread out, is we are in this together. We can do this. All right, and guys, once again, shout out. Go to Facebook, go to Twitter, go to Instagram, whatever social media accounts that you have. Post all the awesome things that you guys are doing at home. Share it. Use these hashtags, and so that we can find it and everybody can see what each other is doing, and this newly extended movement control order may perhaps pass more pleasantly. Yeah, I did.
To cooking or keep warm?
Cooking lah. Use which pan to fry the egg?